Hi, my name is Jeanette Turk and I'm with Artistry Homes here in Santa Rosa Beach. So here at Renovation Flooring, for many years now, I've worked with Linda. She's extremely experienced and somehow she seems to always know what I'm looking for before I quite find it. So working with her is great, and we usually start with the main idea. Something that's become extremely popular now is this large scale tile, which is almost like putting marble on your walls. You barely see any grout lines at all, and it's an absolutely stunning hotel look. Again, we always want to add something to give it a little bit, je ne sais quoi. And so I would pick something like this beautiful mosaic. Again, it's a natural stone, so it would need to be sealed. But I would use this, again, either as a waterfall or on the floor of the shower or in the niche. And if I'm doing a large scale like this, I like to do the shampoo niche that runs all the way across the back of the shower. So you really get a feel of luxury. And then again, you have another choice on the floor with these beautiful pebbles. These actually are beautiful to walk on when they're grouted. You're almost giving yourself a foot massage when you're in your shower.